Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to do our oil and natural gas daily technical analysis. I'm going to jump right in, give you my financial opinion, and here we go. Again, it's just my financial opinion, not advice. Like crude oil, we continue to move higher. We were up a little bit in light crude, just basically flat. I'm looking at this from a weekly candlestick basis. We've been just seesawing up and up and up. We are coming to the top of this pattern soon. 92 bucks. We're at 88.25, and sometimes it likes to put a little wick or something like that when they hit it. I call it bumping their head. When you bump your head up on the top here, it's going to go boop, and you'll get a little wick like this one or this one. But we're coming up. We're contracting a little bit. We'll see where we go here in the short term. And it doesn't have to hit the top here. That's just where the resistance line is. But we are kind of closing in on it quite soon. We have a cross day on the weekly candlestick for natural gas. Daily, it was just flat. So we're just flat today. XOP, pay it no mind to the crude and natural gas price. But on the weekly, it looks strong. We're finishing strong. I'm going to put it on the logarithmic real quick. Let me back out here. Let's get a monthly on this. We are breaking to the upside of the downtrend line. This is significant because we're breaking through this resistance. And what's going to happen is the companies in XOP and XOP itself are going to start to break out and start to move. I don't know if we're just going to launch higher and do a retest, or if we're just going to break and move on. I don't have the crystal ball, but it's looking really strong here for a move potentially higher. We can see it in the companies itself. I'm going to go to the daily candlesticks really quick. There's your daily move up higher. It's getting some good movement. It finished quite strong. It's got a nice, good, I call it drive from the bottom here. This is a bullish piercing. We came on up, small sellers, and the sellers aren't there. The buyers are stepping in, and it's going higher. And we're seeing that in the individual companies. This is a bullish engulfing on SM Energy. This is going higher. This looks absolutely fantastic to move on higher. Very, very strong for SM Energy. CDEV's got the same pattern. And these are the patterns I really, really like to see. I'm going to draw over this. The big 2-day up days, the small little pullback, and then a bullish engulfing. That's like game on, baby. Game on. So that looks very good. CDEV looks so tasty. And it broke out of this trend, this pattern here. This is your base that you're going from. This base is massive. So we're launching out of a inverted head and shoulders pattern. And we're using this base. We created another pattern on the right-hand side of this descending wedge. We broke it with good buying pressure. We've got the big up candlestick pullback, big up pullback. See that? I love that pattern. Keep it going. It's a stair-stepping pattern. It's very common on a move higher. And we got a bullish engulfing. Guys, this looks fantastic. I love it. Crew Energy got the bloody nose today. There's a little bit of sellers up here, but it's a small down day. Buyers will come in here. If oil and natural gas keep going higher, buyers are going to come in here and push it higher. Still looks good. CPE, putting in a little bullish engulfing. Hopefully we can get a move higher out of Callan Petroleum. Athabasca, it's slapping its head on this resistance line. The buyers, well, a lot of volume's coming in here. Look at the volume down there. It's trying to break through this resistance line coming across. We're right there trying to break through it. When it breaks through it, it'll be like a breath of fresh air. The cheetah can come in and start to run. I would talk about cheetahs, and what that means is we might get a little impulse move higher and then have to rest a little bit. But it's looking good. Recaf, Reconnaissance Energy Africa. I like the small down day. I don't like small up days. I like the small down day. What that means is I feel like this is setting up for a move higher. Bullish engulfing, small little down day, little bloody nose, and then let's see if the buyers step in and push it higher, or if news comes out or something. We got NOG here. A little bit of NOG. NOG is Northern Oil and Gas. Descending wedge, we broke that. We had a little ascending wedge channel type pattern, broke to the downside, bullish engulfing, moving on higher. Looks good, guys, and we could break to the upside here. Good volume today. Man, if we can break this pattern up here, $27-ish. We're going to be cooking. We are going to be cooking. But, you know, sometimes it acts as resistance as you get up here, and we could come back down. So we're at a point here where I'm just holding on. I'm not buying. I'm not selling. I'm just holding on. God, Crescent Point looks good too. These all look really good. I mean, I love this buying pressure, the small sell-off, and then a bullish engulfing. That screams higher, guys. I like how this whole setup is. Looks good. I love the zig. I love the zag. I love the bullish engulfing. I love it. Looks good to go higher, guys. GTE, smacking down a good, solid day today. I love it. All of the conditions here look good for a move higher. So what would I do? I wouldn't do anything. I'd hold on to my shares and not sell them. Good volume today. Good, strong closing. I like it a lot. Tellurian. So this one looks a little more bearish. We've got kind of this fallout here. Whenever these are pointed upward, remember, whenever you have an upward slant, whatever it is, and they break to it's usually going to move to the downside. We move to the downside. We still got this selling pressure here, and then the small over. It's probably going to roll over. It's probably going to roll over. Pedevco, this still looks good to me. Bullish, engulfing, small selling pressure. It's going to work its way higher. So that one looks good. Oasis, OAS, nice, good, strong buying pressure today. Finishing very strong. We haven't finished here at all. This is a new all-time high after it went bankrupt and released. And if you look, I kind of drew this here. It's breaking to the upside. So we kind of came in here. Let me draw a little. Let me draw some in here, guys. Hold on. Oh man, this is close because it's going to be somewhere. I want to hit like the tops of these guys here. This isn't a top. This is when it traded up and came back down. This is actually a bearish little pattern on the very short term there. Came up, came down, bullish engulfing at this resistance line, came on up. This looks like we could break to the upside here and have another big run for Oasis. OAS. I like it. Comstock, way to be strong, bullish engulfing, gonna move higher. Looks good. This looks like it's bottomed and it's starting to move up. So go Comstock Resources. Sandridge Energy. Oh, it looks like we're breaking this little resistance line to the upside and it closed above it. Let's see if we can keep the momentum, guys. Sandridge is looking good. This is Ring Energy, REI. Good old ringer. Oh my God, why? It's just lining things up, guys. Bullish engulfing, big up days, small down days, big up days, small down days. This looks perfect. It's going to go higher. I would even be a buyer here for Ring Energy. It looks really good. Surge Energy. May the surge continue. Bullish engulfing. I love bullish engulfing, guys. It's going to go higher. It's my guess. Looking good. Tamarack Energy, or Tamarack Valley Energy. Tough one to read because you get this big down day here and you got 3 smaller down days coming up. Usually what I would say is this could potentially head lower. So there's that one there. Jeez, buddy. Then we got OIH. This is the Oil Energy Service ETF. OIH, oh man, looking great, looking fantastic. Potential move to the upside. Big bullish engulfing here. Big buying pressure, small selling pressure all through here. It's stair stepping higher. Looks good to go up. Tetra Technologies, bullish engulfing coming down to a kind of a larger update today. I would say that looks good to move higher. Oh my, rig looking fantastic. Big buying pressure. Yeah, that's a massive move up. Pump is pumping it to the upside. I like it a lot, guys. Big buying pressure, small selling pressure. I think this is going to continue higher. It's a great opportunity to hold on to these companies and let them make you money. EXTN still moving on higher. Strong like bull. Valeris, strong like ox. How about that? Little resistance line there. Broke out, back test, and we're moving higher. Looks good. MRM moving on up. Maybe we can break this downtrend line. We'll back out the big downtrend line here that we're about to break to the upside. MMA offshore looks absolutely fantastic here. I would be a buyer here. 100% for sure. TDW. Oh, I got to back out on this one, guys, and show you the monthly. I got the rocket ship. We're way down here in no man's land. I'm going to go to the 5-year. This is a big guy with a little bloody nose on the weekly candlestick charts. This looks fantastic to move on up. NEX moving up on the weeklies. All these look really good, guys. I would be a buyer. I'd be a buyer down here, like I said, and I'd be holding on. This is a big downtrend line break. NEX looking fantastic. CHX, zooming in here. This still looks really good. I like it. Cactus, WHD, bullish engulfing. It's going to head higher, in my opinion. OII, looking fantastic. God, I love this look here. Look at that. It's going to move up. The reason is big buying pressure, small selling pressure. The buyers are coming in. Noble Energy Corp, big buying pressure, small selling pressure. It's going to head higher. We've got HLX, Helix Energy Solutions, chopping sideways. Big move higher today. So it's still looking good. Big volume. I've got my kid here just going crazy. So that's the end of it, guys. Everything looking quite good. The kid's going crazy. He's excited. I'm excited. You want to say hi, Will? Oh, here he is. He's got a guest appearance. Whoa, he's going. Oh, my goodness. He ran into the wall because he must be afraid. He doesn't want to be on camera. You want to say hi? Doesn't want to say hi. He's weird. Oh, he's not weird. He's just shy. He's running back and forth. So that's all I've got for today, guys. Thanks for, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.